Good morning, Imran. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good. Well, welcome across to Prepare to Pass driving school.
Okay.
So you previously had sat for the driving test somewhere else,
Yeah,
and things didn't go well.
yeah. I have sat in test in Elizabeth.
All right.
Yeah, the driving instructor there just like messy, and I was just driving good, but she interrupts, and that's how I just feel nervous
Ah.
and just fail the test.
Mm.
But here, you can say he teach like a brother,
Mm.
like everything else.
Yeah.
Like here you teach the real things. Like he doesn't tell you like how, like he tells you how to drive, and also picks up your mistakes and asks you to repeat. But one thing I want to add is that firstly, when I just did the test at Elizabeth, I just took only 1 hour of training.
Ah.
So I just got to know that point, and I was just want to share that all with my friends and all these boys who just want to come here and do the test. Please, wherever you want to go, just took 3 hours of training minimum.
Yeah, you
And-
did the Super Vort.
Yeah,
We did the Super Vort.
super board, and you must have to do 3 hours of training. That's minimum, and you
Of
can do maximum. So wish you all best of luck, and thumbs up to that man.
Well done,
Legend.
Imran. You're welcome, mate. Well, all the very best and safe and happy motoring in Australia.
Thank you.
And thanks for choosing us.
Okay.
See you, mate.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.